Hey, what's up guys, update all of you doing well. So finally the wait is over and the OneUi 8 update is now finally available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is a stable update and it is now available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In this video, I will show you that how you guys can update. Simply go into the settings, then you have to tap on software update. The last update on the Galaxy S24 Ultra was of August 1st, 2025. Now after tapping on download and install, you will get to see that there is a new OneUi 8 update available with some new features like Android 16 and some new AI powered enhancements. If we talk about the update size, so it is 3.2 gigabytes in size with a security patch level of the September 1st, 2025. There are many new Galaxy AI features available and the now brief is also available now on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Make sure to like and subscribe as in the upcoming video I will discuss in detail about the new features of the OneUi 8 update. For now, let's talk about that how you guys can update it. First of all, you will have to download this update and once the update is downloaded, you will have to simply install it. It is 3.2 gigabytes in size, so once the update is downloaded, simply tap on install now to complete the installation process. This installation process might take a while and you will be unable to use the device during the installation process, so make sure to install this when your device is completely free, as after tapping on install now you will be unable to use your device. As you guys can see, the update is now installing on your device and once the update is installed, your device will automatically restart. As you guys can see, welcome to OneUi 8 is now here. Now it will show that what new features and enhancements are available with the OneUi 8 update. I'm excited to try this now brief with the OneUi 8 update. After tapping on next, it will show you a glance of new features available with the OneUi 8 update. You can go directly to the home or check out the new features of the OneUi 8 update. I will talk about these new features in the upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. And finally, the OneUi 8 update is now ready to use and it is installed completely on your device. As you guys can see, on the last update is showing that it is on the latest OneUi 8 update with the September 1st, 2025 security patch. And obviously with the OneUi 8 update, you will also get this Android 16 update on your device. And if we talk about the game that you can play with the Android 16, so that is still the same that you get in the Android 15. There is this new auto mode available and rest it is almost the same. And that's it for today's video. This was a new OneUi 8 update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section that have you got the update on your device or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.